A rectangular welcome garden is built with a fixed amount of border tape. The tape goes all the way around. The sides must be whole numbers, and the garden is longer than it is wide. Your job is to make the area as big as you can. What is the greatest possible area? Pause the video here. Try a few different shapes. They all use the same border, but which one holds the most space inside? Let us turn the tape into a rule. Twice the width plus twice the length is 24, so the width and the length must add to 12. Now try whole number pairs that add to 12. 2 and 10 gives an area of 20. 3 and 9 gives 27. 4 and 8 gives 32. 5 and 7 gives 35. Watch what happened. As the rectangle got closer to a square, the area climbed. The closest to a square holds the most. 5 times 7 is 35 square meters. Now a different extreme. This time we push the perimeter up. We have 6 square mats, each 1 meter on a side, joined in one connected path. Start with a single mat. Its perimeter is 4 meters. Add a mat beside it. The new mat brings 3 outer sides, but one side gets buried where they touch, so the perimeter only grows by 2. Add another, plus 2 again. Each new mat adds 2. To make the perimeter as big as possible, stretch them into one long row. The greatest perimeter is 2 times 6 plus 2, which is 14 meters. 2 questions, 1 move. Go to the extreme shape. For the greatest area with a fixed perimeter, choose the shape closest to a square. For the greatest perimeter with fixed tiles, choose one long stretched row. This is the shape the extreme rule. If a fixed amount of material can be arranged many ways, the extreme value sits at the most extreme shape. Closest to a square for area, most stretched out for perimeter. Look for greatest possible area or perimeter with a fixed amount of border or tiles you can rearrange. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.